Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you how to upgrade your game graphics using the Lightning-Box 3. This is the mobile game. I want to convert to the PC with maximum quality. Here you can see the Windows is default platform, project setting, player, and the API is next gen, graphics, PC mode. As you can see, everything is a maximum preset. Also you can use default by default. Quality is the maximum. Full resolution, everything is good. Nice. Now we are ready to start the Lightning-Box. When you open the Lightning-Box, first your color space, switch to the linear. Now your color space is linear. Here you can see the linear color space. And here is the Lightning-Box. First you need to create a new profile. As you can see, 4 files has been created for you. The first one, lighting profile, skybox texture, post-processing profile, and the light setting. As you can see, everything has been created automatically. Okay, now we want to start lighting. In the hierarchy, as you can see, a new game object created for you, and the directional light automatically come here. This is your global post-processing effect. Okay. To start working, first we need to rotate the sunlight to see your scene. You need to choose a good skybox for your scene. Nice. This is the skybox exposure. This is the scene ambient lighting. Because we don't want to bake the scene, we use the color. This is the HDR color. No HDR. Okay. Here you can select the Lightning-Box beautiful lens filler. As you can see, this is very beautiful. Nice. Now you just need enable fog. This is the height fog, the best option for your scene. As you can see, the height fog. This is the height. And this is the intensity. This is the color, depend on your weather. You can reduce intensity, everything is possible. Nice. Now we want to convert scene materials to the PBR. To create PBR, first you need to create a light reflection prop at the center of your scene. This will capture around this reflection prop. I want to real time on Awake because this is the PC platform and has no problem. Increase quality, I want to cover the whole scene. This is cover the whole scene. Now we need to convert our legacy materials. The materials are legacy. We want to convert the legacy materials to the lighting box, PBR, auto PBR. This quickly generate PBR for your materials. Here select your road. Materials, I want to increase the color. Now select your road, change the smoothness value. As you can see, automatically your materials become PBR. Select all materials. Nice. Now your materials are PBR quickly, and you can easily activate ray traced reflection to see real-time reflection. As you can see, our scene is now very realistic. Let me to try the game. Character, where is your material? All must be lighting box, PBR, auto PBR. The car, vehicles, material, vehicles, lighting box, PBR, auto PBR. As you can see, everything looks good. And PBR. Now let's play the game. Nice. Okay. First thing is find proper ambient light. The next one is find proper directional lighting. Okay, the next one is enable volumetric lighting. As you can see, we have very good volumetric lighting. Also, you can enable sun shaft. To add sun shaft effect to your scene. When you rotate the sun, as you can see, everything is volumetric and beautiful. You can customize settings to find your desired result. Nice. Ambient occlusion is useful for corners. As you can see, the corners. This is very useful for foliage, 3D models. Okay, now we can play the game and enjoy from the PC version of the game. Okay, well, I want to stop the game. Here you can add cinematic lighting. First I need to reduce sky intensity. Here you can add cinematic light color grading. This is the cinematic color grading. Increase contrast. This will make your game next gen. Select your road. Nice. Find the car. Make it metallic. Nice. Okay. Now as you can see, we have a very realistic and beautiful racing game with next gen graphics. You just need paint foliage, 3D models to make your game AAA. The scene is now has maximum lighting. You just need 3D models to make your scene very realistic. And just update the sun position, sun intensity, sun shaft, and sun intensity. Nice. Everything will depend on your taste. Just change the settings to find your proper lighting result. Everything will depend on your taste. Nice. I hope this video is useful to you. To create your maximum lighting for your game, everything is customizable easily. Everything is customizable easily. Maximum lighting solution. I hope this video be useful to you.